Hello all, Rishi here. Welcome to my HTML tutorial series part 5. In this particular episode, I'm going to show you about how to use the div and span tags in an HTML. And we're going to see how and when we have to use that in particular. So now let's get started. So far we have seen several tags. For example, h1 tag, nav tag, footer and header tags. And we do know that there are something in common between these tags, right? For example, if it is a header tag, we are explicitly mentioning to the browser that it is meant to be a header. But when we are developing a new HTML page, right, we'll be having several sections, we'll be having several components. We have to write lots of customizable components. So we cannot be having lots of tags that is perfectly meant to be for only that purpose. In order to solve this problem, they have introduced a new tag called as div tag. So div tag is used to create a new custom component so that we can apply our own styling and we can define its own behavior inside a browser. So now we are going to see about the behavior of the div element. In this example, I have created a div tag and I have given a text called as welcome to our ABC company. And I have deployed this site as a live server, and we can see that through in the web browser also. If you see here, we have the text, but when you see it in your plain eyes, there is not much of difference. It is similar to like a text in a paragraph tag, right? But the main difference is when you can see that in a developer console. You can go to the developer console by clicking on Ctrl plus Shift plus I and come to the elements tab and click on this little element arrow mark, right? This is the inspect element actually. If you hover over the particular element, we can see that corresponding tag to be highlighted in this elements tab. Now if I click on this div tag, we can see the particular CSS style that has been applied over this in this styles tab. The div element is the block element actually. So what do you mean by block element? The block element is nothing but a block of text or block of content that is appearing over a web page. If I'm hovering over this, right, for the div tag, it is creating a rectangular block, right? So it is occupying the entire width of the web page. And we can also control this width of the particular div tag using the CSS. But anyway, if you come to the plain HTML, it will by default, it will be occupying the entire web page. Now, if I change this div element to span tag, you can easily spot the difference. Come into the web page and same, I'm clicking on this and click on inspect. Now you can see that when I click on the span, the entire width of the web page is not taken, right? This is because the span is not a block element. If I come to the styles also, we don't even see that display as block, right? It will be occupying only the size of the text that we have given. This is the main difference between div and span. And span element is also called as inline element, whereas the div element is also called as a block element. Now if you see in this example, I have created two div tags, one similar to each other. But I have created a span tag only for this ABC text. And I have created a div tag for the same text. So let us see the difference. I'm saving this. Let's go to the browser and here you can see. As you can see in the first example, since we have used the span element, we are getting the width of that element as equal to the length of the text. But in the second example, since we have used the div element and it is a block, we are getting the width as the entire web page. This is also an example for understanding the div and span element. So that is all for today's video, guys. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends. And also don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section. And see you in the next video, guys.